One simple way to make more sales is to use the right words. For example, there is one word that is especially powerful for making sales. And we use this in copywriting all the time. We use this to make more sales. We use this when we are closing somebody on the phone or in person or in a video sales letter, for example, or even in written text. And this word is imagine. When you say imagine for somebody, their brain will not be able not to imagine that thing that you are saying. So this is a classic example. Like if I say, imagine a pink elephant, it's very, very hard for you not to imagine. Even if I say, do not imagine a pink elephant, even if I say do not, when the brain listens to imagine something, even if there's the negative part before, it will do it. So you want to use this to input the right frame of mind, the right images, the right ideas into somebody's mind when you say imagine. So you can say, well, imagine if your problems were not happening right now. Imagine that you could travel all the time that you wanted. Imagine that you could double your income in the next 30 days. When you say imagine, the person will create in their minds in a very fast way, in a very fast time, what their lives would be in that scenario. So this is what our brain does. And when you use this to make more sales, you put the right ideas into the person's mind. So that's what we want when we are making sales. So this is a simple trick. There are many other words. So keep watching here in the channel. We will discuss more about copy, which is one of my favorite topics there is, because we use this to make more sales, to be connected to our potential buyers. And in this way, we grow our profits, we grow our companies. All right. So this is I think this is video number 13 out of our series of 365 videos in a row every day. So if you like this, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment here in the video, and I will be happy to talk more with you. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.